Now this is the question number 2 that we have. We have to simplify 1 out of 3 plus 1 over 2 divided by 2/3 minus 5 out of 8. That's question 2a. Then we come to b. We have to find the product of 2x minus 3 and then 2x plus 3. Then after that, we have an equilateral triangle here. So we have to find the value of the x and then the value of the y there. Then as well as finding the value of x plus y. Questions here, and then let's see how we can go about this question. So when you look at the first one and the second one, we need to find the xm for both of them. So we take the first one. So the xm for 3 and 12 is 12. So we add the 12 here. Then how many times will 3 go into 12? 3 will go into 12 4 times, and that 4 times the one that we have here, that will give us 4 plus, then here the 12 will go into itself. It will go there once. That 1 times the 1 there, we have another 1 there as well. So this divided by, then we find the LCM of these two also, 3 and then 8. So the LCM for 3 and 8 is 24. So we have our 24 here as well. So 3 will go into 24 8 times. So the 8 times the 2 will give us 16. So here we have 16, then minus, then 8 will go into 24 3 times. So the 3 times 5 will give us what? 15. So we have the 15 here as well. So now that we have this, the 4 plus 1 will give us what? 5 over 12. Then divided by 16 minus 15 will give us 1. So that's 1 over 24. So we continue. For us to divide this fraction, we want to take away the division and then introduce what? Multiplication. So for us to do that, the first we have to do is what? We have to maintain the first fraction. So the first fraction, that is 5 out of 12. Then we change the division to what? To multiplication. So times. The moment we change the division to multiplication, then we change the position of what? This numerator and then the denominator here. So it becomes what? 24 over 1. So here, 12 will go into itself once and go into 24 2 times. So 2 times 5 here will give us 10. Divided by 1 times 1, which is what? Which is 1. So 10 over 1. So finally, our answer for 1 over 2 plus 1 over 12 divided by 2 over 3 minus 5 over 8 is 10. So 10 is the final answer there. Now let's go to the question 2b. This is the question 2b. We have to find the product of 2x minus 3 and then 2x plus 3. So what we have to do is, it means that these 2x will multiply everything that we have here. The same way the 3 minus 3 will also multiply everything that we have in the bracket. So we can rewrite this as 2x multiplying 2x plus 3, then minus 3 into bracket, the same 2x plus 3. So once we are done with this, we can expand or open the bracket. So 2x times another 2x will give us what? 4x squared. Because 2 times 2 is 4, x times x is what? X squared. Then plus 2x times 3 will give us 6x. Then we are done with the first bracket. Then we come to the second one. Negative 3 times 2 will give us what? Negative 6. Then we introduce the x there. Or negative 3 times what? 2x. So minus 6x there. Then negative 3 times positive 3. The negative will have dominion over the positive. So it becomes what? Minus 9. So in that case, what we have is 4x squared plus 6x minus 6x minus 9. So here, 6x minus 6x will give us what? 0. So these two will cancel here. Then what we have left is 4x squared, then minus 9. So when you find the product of 2x minus 3 and then 2x plus 3, the result is what? 4x squared minus 9. Number 2c. In the diagram, ABC is an equilateral triangle. Now, when you say a triangle is equilateral, it means all the sides are equal. So, when you look at this, the line AB is 11 centimeters, which means that the BA or AB is also 11 centimeters. The same way, BC is also what? 11 centimeters. So, if the triangle is equilateral, the angles within two are also what? The same. And then the lines are also what? The same. So when you look at the first one, it means that 3x plus 2 is equal to 11 centimeters because all the sides are what? Equal. So there you can say that you can group the like terms. So 3x is equal to 11 minus what? 2. So that will give us 3x, which is equal to 9. So since we are looking for x, not 3x, we have to divide both sides by what? By 3. So divided by 3. These are also divided by what? 3. So 3 will cancel. 3 will go into itself here 1 and goes here 3 times. So it means that our x is equal to 3. So the value of x here is 3. So it means that if this x is 3, that means 3 times 3 will give us what? 9. 9 plus 2 is the same as the 11 that we have here. Now let's go to the second one. 2y plus 3 should also give us what? 11, because all the sides are what? Equal. So in this context, we can group the like terms together. So we have the 2y, which is equal to 11. So this 3, we are sending it to where we have the 11, becomes what? Minus 11. So minus 3 becomes what? Minus 3. So what we have is 2y is equal to, so when you take 3 from 11, we are left with what? We are left with 8. So we have 8 here. Then we divide both sides by 2, because we are looking for y, not 2y. So divide both sides by 2. So this will cancel. So our y is equal to 2 going to itself once and going to 8 4 times. So we have 4 here as well. So y is equal to what? 4. So looking at this, you can say therefore x is equal to 3 and then y is equal to what? 4. But the question says find the value of x plus y. So that means we have to add the value of x and then the value of what? Y too. So it becomes the x plus y, which is equal to, the x is 3 and then the y is 4. So that will give us 7 centimeters. So the x plus y is equal to 7 centimeters.